Real women murders, not fiction. Love women, don't kill them. Giving real women, unknown women, recognition to the world. Please support our channel and please subscribe.
A pedestrian was killed and another injured after being hit by a semi-truck on the Stevenson Expressway.
Elizabeth Matthews is live with the latest. Elizabeth.
Yeah, guys, just a terrible incident this morning on the Stevenson Expressway. There were 2 victims in this. One sadly passed. The other was rushed here to Advocate Good Samaritan Hospital in Downers Grove. Take a look at this. This is the picture of the woman who did not make it from this incident this morning. 28-year-old Perla Andrade-Garcia from Chicago. We're told that she was the driver of the car that was pulled over to the side. She was struck and killed by a passing semi. This happened early this morning on northbound I-55 in Bollingbrook around 3:20 a.m. Illinois State Police tell us the victims were along the right shoulder of the interstate when they were run over. They were out of their car walking to get gas after their car had run out. The interstate had to be shut down for several hours, reopened earlier this morning, just about after 4 hours of being shut down. Police tell us this investigation is far from over. That semi driver that struck them fled the scene. Police continue to look for the driver involved. The victim that was rushed here to Advocate Good Samaritan Hospital in Downers Grove this morning following this incident was brought here in very critical condition. Illinois State Police continue to investigate this. Again, still looking for that semi driver and ask if you were in the area, if you possibly witnessed anything and you know anything about this, you're urged to contact your local police department and report what you saw. In Downers Grove, Elizabeth Matthews, Fox 32, Chicago.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.